keep it there. Keep it there.
Hey, we're Michael and Abby.
Just two normal people who love to travel.
We think that life is meant to be lived, so we started out documenting ourselves living life to the fullest.
Our hope is to inspire others to get out there and make more memories, no matter what they are.
For this travel vlog, we're heading from San Francisco and driving to Yosemite National Park. 6:30, San Francisco, getting ready to leave. Heading to Yosemite today. Before we get on the road, you know what I gotta have. Here we are at Save Mart, grocery store. I don't even know what town this is, but we're getting some lunch meat and stuff so we could pack some lunches going into Yosemite. We got a grumpy one. Oh, you gonna throw this one too? Pulled off in a campground and gonna eat lunch. It's actually a pretty cool spot. I mean, it's hidden by trees, but Half Dome's right over there, and then Glacier Point's up there. We just had lunch and we're going to I think Half Dome, Glacier Point, kind of trailhead. I think maybe Yosemite's Lower Falls. We've seen that as well. It's freaking amazing. I feel like walking through like these rocks, and it's like really hot. It's like 96 degrees, and then I swear to God, we walked through like this area, and it's like you feel a draft. It's like 10 or 15 degrees cooler for sure. We're walking to the falls here. Hard to tell, but over there. We just went to the gift shop and bought nothing, a sticker and a magnet. Keep getting way behind everybody because I stopped to take pictures and video, and everyone just keeps on trucking. But we're down in Yosemite Valley. You can see. And then the falls are right over there. We're making our way over there right now to look at them. Day 2 in Yosemite. We're at Glacier Point right now. Alright, so we're actually at the top of Glacier Point right now. See Half Dome and Yosemite Falls down there. You can kind of see the Lower Falls basin, but the top falls right there. Or Upper Falls. But yeah, this is pretty incredible. What do you think?
Definitely a must-see, for sure.
A must-see. Everyone's getting their picture.
Oh, wait. It's recording with me.
So we're leaving Glacier Point. It was an awesome view. It was a long drive up here. It was like well, actually, I don't know. It's technically 3 hours from my hotel, but that's because traffic is really, the roads are really windy. It's like 35 mile an hour all the way to the top up here. But yeah, it was awesome. Awesome view. I'm glad we stopped up here. We're getting ready to leave Yosemite, unfortunately. Snow. Windy too. It's really windy, but still snow up here. Did you like Yosemite?
I loved it.
Did you guys like Yosemite?
Yeah. I'm a tree
You like Yosemite? Say yo.
Yeah. All right, so we are in Bishop, California right now. We spent the past 2 days in Yosemite. We just got to our hotel not so long ago.
Yeah, I remember seeing that.
We're getting el pollo loco. Necesito pollo loco. Muy bien. So it should be pretty good. Muy bueno, muy bueno. And then tomorrow we're cutting down through Death Valley and we are heading to Vegas. Should be pretty fun. But yep, I'm gonna wrap this thing up and then see you tomorrow. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. We'd really appreciate if you hit that like and subscribe if you haven't already.
And don't forget to follow us on Instagram and TikTok.
And we will see you on the next video, where we head to Death Valley in Las Vegas, Nevada.